we did this song back in 2006, 2007, something like that. When we would do the song back then, I held a battery-operated toy bird like this. It would flap its wings. It would flap its wings. And I would hold it while I sang, because I just feel embarrassed just to be singing. So I always got to do something. Got to put on shoes and stuff, you know, yeah. So back then we had this battery-operated toy bird, and when we decided to do the song again, Zach and I thought, well, let's dig that old bird out of our storage. We went to the giant but messy Flaming Lips storage, and as much as we looked, we could not fucking find that old bird, okay? And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, just go on the endless internet and you could find 100 of them. Well, you would think that, but we couldn't. So, with disappointment at first, we have this bird. And if we're lucky, this bird is going to fly around the audience, maybe fly up there, and it's going to come back, land in Zach's hand. Hard to believe, isn't it? Yeah. Well, it doesn't do it every time. And the reason I'm not going to do it while I'm singing is because it may dive down and hit you in the face. But either way, it's going to be pretty cool. We'll really make it. We'll really try to make it work best we can. But I think the lesson is, sometimes, you know, Zach, this happens to us all the time. Sometimes you don't really get what you want.
But you get what you need!
And with our experience, you don't get what you want, you get something a lot fucking better. That's what this is. So here we go.